Pre-market, here's a quickie for me. That 75 area, 76 held overnight, came all the way back down and tested that 35 to 36 zone, and then we had some chop. If you wake up and you see this kind of a pattern, first thing you're looking for is where is support, and assume support. I've got one at 34 and a quarter. I've got a level at 34 and a quarter. So the idea this morning was, can we get back to the gap perhaps at that 55 zone? I looked at a little bit tighter chart. I start with a bigger chart like a 30, and then I go back to something like a 15 to see the rotations better. And I felt that this box right here, this high, that 58 zone versus this zone, needed to be reconciled one way or the other. Scale it back a little more if you want. I looked at my notes, yesterday's middle 41 and a half. I said, okay, this has got to be the true support in here if the bulls are going to take this up this morning first thing and go back and retest the highs. I've got a 73 demon. So anybody long side, I've advised take profits coming into that 72, 71, 72. Could be this double top holds for now. And so 34 and a quarter support, aggressive support, this 41 and a half, 42, and you can just see how this started to rock and roll. Want to come back and take a look at a faster chart when news is on. I like to see a 2 or a 3. And you can see just how the rotations, ever since the news broke a few minutes ago, have pushed the futures back up higher to retest that double top for now. And these pivots will change many times throughout the day in this type of volatility. So here's a 2-minute, and you can really see that support that I had suggested earlier. And then obviously with a lot of time left for trading during the day, anybody long side, you want to make sure you're paid. Normally at news, I suggest traders to be flat. And then obviously make your adjustments and try to take something out of the swings throughout the day. This is Z, hoping you have a good day and a little bit about some of our news trading.